think it's quite interesting, this one. Malcolm, you're here, so that's fine if you can't talk. I'm just gonna go through the trade that I took on was it Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday on S&P 500. I said it is ranging, but if as long as price stay above this 4,080 area, okay, I'm happy to be a buyer, which I did. And drop down to a 15-minute to show you guys how I done it and why I closed it yesterday. So I said around this area, look for a base, which it did develop. All right, wasn't super aggressive. Super aggressive could be here, but I took the trade above. Yeah, so bang, perfect, no problem. Retest. That's okay for a little bit of retracement here. And so that's not so much of an issue. The issue came first, all right, here. At 3 o'clock, we saw big buying, and at 3:15, we saw selling. That's already is not a good sign. When it opened, when it settled, you should see price action continue to break higher. It didn't do that, all right? So once it do that, range around here, I have an alert in this support level. As soon as it break, Malcolm already know he's a member, I close off the trade. Why did I do that? Because it's not doing what I want. It should continue. It's an intraday, you need momentum. There's zero momentum, and we can see last week I took here, which is fantastic. I banked and then got out. If you don't get out, it's just, it can collapse like that. At the moment, longer term picture, I don't think it's bullish at the minute. I mean, the whole overall picture is not bullish anyway.